Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering off and unplugging, then wait about 10 minutes so any residual charge dissipates. Once done, remove the vertical stand and slide the top vent cover straight up and off. This exposes the first screws. Make sure to organize screws in labeled groups so reassembly is simple. You'll use a Torx T10 driver on the exposed screws. Keep steady pressure to avoid stripping. After these steps, the outer shell will be loose and ready for the next disassembly phase. Now you'll remove hidden screws under rubber feet or stickers. Pry those feet with a flat tool and remove any screws found. Then, insert a plastic spudger into the seam and gently work around the case in small increments, releasing clips evenly to prevent stress on tabs. Once most clips are released, lift the outer shell halves apart slowly while checking for any remaining screws. Make sure to note cable routing so you don't yank any internal connectors. This keeps internal boards and ribbons safe. With the shell open, disconnect the power flex or any battery connector you find first to avoid shorts while working. Once powerless, remove screws securing the metal shields and carefully lift them off to expose the fan, heatsink, and motherboard. Slide the heatsink assembly away after undoing its screws, keeping thermal pads and paste noted for later. If a component won't budge, recheck for hidden screws and clips. If still stuck, a little targeted heat can soften adhesive. Pause and reassess.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.